leg, down the gun. And Makil, alley pass to Sira, not good. Number 10, Albus Pinoy step on the way to the basket, deeper in Galamada. Number 7, Ulu pass by number 106. Shot clock po natin, pumapatak, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds on shot clock, no good. And once again, number 13, acrobatic shot, 2 points by Malangkil. Once again, yung tinatan natin Malangkil, mga kaibigan ng Spotless. Para po sa kanyang store, player first seats. Kung naghanap po kayong legalidad na sapatos, mga kaibigan, hanapin din po sa ating Facebook page. Once again, their first seats. Located at Barangay Buenasuerte. 5 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Depansa Upansa. 68-39, number 13, Malangkil, kick out pass, back to Nick Pomosina, number 6, 10 seconds on the shot clock, outside jumper, not good sila, na-atake, makikipaglaban, makikipagpagtagulan, yung tinadang pag-isaw-isaw, 2 puntos naman yung naisaw-sawan. Pass, opens, outbound versus number 76, fire for 3, not good. And Papas, 5 for 2. Yes, sir. 2 points, Papas. 5 minutes. And Malangkil, step back, 5 for 3. This time, biniguman ay 3 pirada. 70-41 score, number 10, Abis Bibitan. And also jumper, Abis, 1, 2, 3 points. Ulit tatawagan ng foul, mga kaibigan, sa ating palaruan. Jersey number 10, head to the last competition. Lean out and to the field, checking